problem like this, it kind of helps to sketch out a diagram of what's going on. So I'm going to sketch a potential energy diagram here. And we know that we'd start off with reactants here. We can draw our diagram going up to our activated complex and then down to our products. We know that the activation energy is right here, and that's what the reactants have to gain to get to the activated complex. We're not going to be looking at the activation energy, which eliminates a couple of our possibilities. We also can see up at the very top, we are high potential energy, and at our products, we're at a lower potential energy. And even if this was endothermic, it would still be lower than the activated complex's energy. We're dealing with a potential energy changing into kinetic energy, not changing into activation energy. And we know that going from reactants to activated complex, the amount of kinetic energy is becoming potential energy to get that high potential energy. So we are not changing kinetic energy into potential energy. That's already happened. Therefore, our answer has to be potential energy changes into kinetic energy.